Hi, welcome. In this video, we'll solve problem valid palindrome type 2 asked by companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and etc. So now let's check out this problem quickly. So we have valid palindrome set. We have already solved one palindrome question by using two-pointer approach. Now let's check out this problem. It's a bit different. So given a string S, return true if S can be a palindrome after deleting at most one character from it. That means, suppose if you are like, if you give a chance that you can delete one character at most, that means only one character is the possibility you can delete from the word. Okay. If it is still a palindrome, so you should return true. So let's check out this example. So here you can see ABA. Okay. That is a palindrome. So it will return true. Here it is ABCA. But after deleting one character, there is a possibility that we will get a palindrome and we are getting it, right? So we will return true. So this is how it works basically. And if you don't know, basically palindrome is a word or phrase or a sequence that reads the same in forward and backward direction. So now let's quickly check out by one example. So suppose I have one string. Suppose this race car I will take. Okay. And what I will do, I will try to add one word, suppose B here. Okay. Let's suppose writing like this. B, A, let make the C. Right. Let me put indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a string of size 8. Okay. And here I am checking the characters. So both the characters are same, R and R same. Okay. Now here, when I'm moving forward, A, both the characters are same. Okay, no issues. Now here, both the characters are not same. So what I will do, I will try to delete one character. So I will simply move forward and then I will check. Okay. So I will check like here, both the characters are same. Yes, it is same. So I will simply move it. And yes, it will return true. So now let's check out some cases so that we can understand more clearly. So let me create some cases here. So suppose let's take the first scenario, the same scenario that we need to delete one character. We need to delete one character, this like CECBAR. So I need to delete character from the right side. Okay. Second case can be when I need to delete the character from the left side. So suppose RABCECAR. Okay. And let's take one character that one case that I need to delete two characters or more than. So suppose RABBCEAR. So that is not a palindrome, or let me make it a palindrome, like keeping this same. Yes, so here you need to delete two characters to make the palindrome. Okay, so here we need to return false. So the answer of this should be false, but the answer of these two cases should be true. The answer of these two cases should be true. And yes, these will be our three test cases. Let me mention it. So this I will consider this as case 1. This will be my case 2, and this will be my case 3. Okay. Now let's quickly check it out, and we will solve the problems as we were solving in the previous part. So I will take 2 pointers where L will be starting from the initial point, L is equals to 0, R will be n minus 1, and I will run a loop till the condition when L is greater than R. Okay, here I will stop it. So if L is less than R, I will basically run my complete array, complete pointers. L will be move forward direction, L plus plus. R will be move in reverse direction, that is R minus minus. And let's see. So suppose you have L, you have R. both the pointers are pointing to the same character. So I will move my pointer L towards it. I will move my R pointer as well. Okay. Again, both the characters are same. So I will again move my L pointer. I will again move my R pointer. Now here we have a difference. Okay. One is pointing to C character. One is pointing to B character. So what I will do, I will try. Okay. I have a liberty that I can maybe, because we don't know, maybe there is a chance that after moving L, the series can become palindrome, or after moving R, the series can become a palindrome. So here, if I am ignoring this character, basically I am ignoring this character and moving forward, we will get a palindrome. So here, what I have done, basically I have ignored. So once I get a false condition here, okay, when both the characters were not equal, when I can say when a string of L is not equals to a string of R, what I did, I still give it a chance to one of the function. Okay, one of my like program, I still give it a chance when I am getting false. What I am doing R minus minus. I am again calling my palindrome function or last palindrome function with same L but R minus 1 and the same string. Okay. Now let's see here what we will do. Both the pointers are pointing to the same character, moving forward, moving forward. Both the pointers are moving to the same character. Again, I will move forward. Now here it is pointing to B and here it is pointing to C. Again, there is a difference. So again, there is a condition of when the characters are not equal. So what I will do, again, I will on false condition, I will give again one chance. That is the last chance. I will call palindrome function. I will call palindrome function that works in the same way. But I will simply do L plus 1, keeping the R same and the string. Now here let's see if L and R both are same pointing to the same character. Yes, I will move L pointer. I will move R pointer. Again, both are pointing to the same character. Again, I will move. And I will again see there is a difference, right? Discrepancy. So I will simply move L pointer not equals to R. I got a false. I call my palindrome function. Okay. And it can be the two conditions that we have discussed here, right? Maybe by L plus 1 or maybe by R minus 1. Okay. Still I am getting, still at somewhere I am getting, okay, that my string of L. Suppose if I move to this one, still I am getting the both the characters are not same, right? String of L, it's not equal to string of R. Okay. Then what I will do, if this is the case, then I will return completely false. Okay. Then I will return completely false and that will be my answer. Right. But if I am getting a false initially, I directly don't conclude that this is a false condition. I will again true. I will check it for one character and if I am getting a good result, I will say this is true. So let me tell you how the flow is going to be. Okay. And let me add these same characters R, A, C, B, E, C, A, R. Okay. Keeping the indexes 4, 5, 6, 7, n is equals to 8 and we have an string. Okay. So here the basic approach is that we will apply two pointer. Okay. We will apply two pointer approach. Okay. Basically how we will say start with L pointer 0 or with n minus 1. Okay. We will check conditions. So we already checked what were the conditions. Suppose if string of L is not equals to a string of R. So generally what we do, we basically say that return false. Okay. Here we won't say it. Again, we will call one function that is the same function that this is a like this function is working, right? That is the same function, or you can say last check one function. Okay. We have two possibilities, right? That maybe the first character can be needs to be ignored or delete. So we will do L plus 1 R passing the same string, or there can be the like right characters. So I keeping the L same, R minus Y and a string. Okay. So these are the two possibilities we can get. And if any one of is true, if any one of these true, so we will take the OR case. If any one of this true, okay, any one of it is true, we will return the output as true. So basically, this is the case that, so this is the one adaptation you can say. Instead of directly saying that if it is a false case, returns false, that this is not a palindrome, what we are doing? We are doing a last check, right? We are doing a last check that ignoring the left character. Here I am ignoring the left character. Okay. And here I am ignoring the right character. Okay. If by ignoring one character, okay, or remember one because we are doing L plus 1 or R minus 1. By ignoring one character, still if we are getting a true statement, we will simply return true. If we are getting a false, we will simply return false. Okay. So if string is a palindrome or not, it will be decided by this function. Okay. Will be decided by this, you can say this plug that you have created, not by directly this. Okay. And the rest the things will be same. That if it is equal, you need to move your L pointer, you need to decrease your R. Okay. Now let's quickly check out the code implementation of it, and then you will get a complete understanding how this approach is going to be work.